popular Panera bread today. If you've never heard of Panera bread, they have some really great creations here, some really good delicious food. So I'm gonna go in and let's see what they have. So they have bagels with cream cheese, oatmeal, yogurt, fruit, coffee, tea, espresso, breakfast sandwiches. And then you can craft your own souffles, salads, mac and cheese, soups, sandwiches, pasta bowls, Panera kids, cold drinks, smoothies, and frozen drinks. Natasha. So we have the bear claw, cheese pastry, cherry pastry, cinnamon rolls, pecan roll, artisan chocolate pastry, pecan bread, cinnamon crunch scone, wild blueberry scone, triple berry scone, orange scones, pumpkin muffin. Here we have blueberry muffins, cranberry orange muffin, chocolate chip muffin. So this one here would be the cranberry and orange muffin, and this one here would be the chocolate chip muffin. And then we have the double fudge brownies, kitchen sink cookie, raspberry almond, thumbprint cookie. Here they have their selection of artisan breads. So your country loaf, Asiago cheese loaf, ciabatta, tomato basil, whole grain, French baguette, croissants, sourdough bread bowls. And they also have samples of new items available at the counter. So this is the section where they would prepare your foods. And you'd wait here to pick up if you're dining, if you're eating out or you're taking out. So guys, if you're ever in the mood for something different, definitely check out Panera Bread. I just picked up their Cuban sandwich. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. But definitely check them out for some really great food. So here is the Cuban sandwich. You get ham, cheese, and turkey with mustard, pickles, and cheese. So guys, I'm gonna try this Panera sandwich. It's a new sandwich that they have on the menu. It's called the Cuban, and you can see that the bread was grilled. So guys, this tastes really delicious. That mustard sauce, it's not a plain mustard, it's more of a mustard aioli. With the pickles, the mustard, the cheese, and the 2 sets of meats, this tastes really good. So this is a good or a great lunch today. So make sure you check out Panera Bread in your neck of the woods, and I hope you all enjoyed this quick vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.